Let's talk about this gorgeous kitchen design. We got to team up with builder Seth Freezy to create this model home in Byron, Minnesota. I was lucky enough to help him pick the design of the cabinets, countertops, and beautiful backsplash. So let's start with cabinets. This is the Schrock cabinet line. We went with white on the perimeter to keep everything kind of light and bright, and then we did this really beautiful stain on the island. I feel like in models we get to have a little bit of fun with the edgy design, so we went bold and did this end cabinet in stain as well so that it kind of felt like a furniture piece. And then we popped that over to the fridge cabinet, as well as accenting the hood and the open shelves, so it just pulled everything together. The countertops we chose are MSI Prado Quartz. Again, just that really creamy, beautiful neutral base with warm, subtle veining that pulled both the white and the stain choices together. And then the cherry on top for this kitchen is the gorgeous backsplash. It is Equipe Malorca in the 4-inch square and has just this really subtle iridescent that plays really well with all the natural light in this gorgeous home. And it was just a huge honor to do this kitchen with him, and we are so happy with the end result.